Regarding the iPhone 15 Pro Max and all other models, I have some exciting news to share with you. Every information has been leaked, dispelling several unfounded speculations. It was previously rumored that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will feature 2 TB of capacity, but we regret to inform you that this will not be the case. Additionally, unlike last year, the basic model will not have 256 gigs of storage, but will instead have 128 gigs. There is some good news. All models of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max were supposed to feature 8 gigs of RAM, despite other sources claiming 6 gigs. Apple was previously rumored that we would see a 256 gigs version as a basic model, but Apple appears like that won't happen. This is a new source from Taiwan research firm Farm Trend Force, and they also make a significant claim. The smaller iPhone 15 Pro model will not see a price increase, and the larger iPhone 15 Pro Max model will instead see a $100 price increase. Let's see whether of the earlier stories is true. One more item suggests that it will only cost $1,299 after the $200 price increase. A new 6x optical zoom periscope lens will be a feature of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, according to the fresh source. Previous rumors said that the optical zoom would be between 5x and 6x, but a source now suggests that it would be closer to 6x. If this is the case, we can use digital picture cropping to increase the zoom to 10x. Additionally, the standard iPhone 15 and 15 Plus models will come with a 48-megapixel primary camera. With the addition of a new titanium frame and finally advancing beyond the 12-megapixel on the iPhone 14, the maximum weight of the iPhone 15 Pro is decreased. The source claims that it will weigh 10% less than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which would make it 221 grams, 10% lighter than the 240 grams of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and even lighter than the 234 grams of the S23 Ultra. The iPhone 15 Pro Max Supermodel is not forthcoming, so stop expecting it. You should wait until next year to obtain this name, as Apple will continue to use the Pro Max name for the time being. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.